சென்னை இந்த ஹார்ட் எங்கள் உலகத்திலிருந்து உங்கள் இல்லத்திற்கு அன்புடன் என்றும் என்றென்றும். உலகத்திலே வரை 5 ஹெலிகாப்டர் மிலிட்டரி டிஸ்ப்ளே டீம் நாங்க தானே சொல்றதில்ல, ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறோம். That was the leader and here's the reaction. சாரங்கன் in the diamond formation அனைத்து தமிழர்களுக்கும் ஒரு அன்பு சமர்ப்பணம்.
தமிழ்நாடு முதலமைச்சர் கோப்பை மாநில அளவிலான விளையாட்டுப் போட்டிகள் 2024 சென்னை, கோவை, திருச்சி, மதுரையில் அக்டோபர் 4 முதல் நடைபெறுகிறது.
हेलो चेन्नई, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? अभी आप सबने देखा आसमान का सीना चीरते हुए भारत की शान भारतीय वायुसेना के विमान तेजस को। और अब तैयार हो जाइए और भी अद्भुत प्रदर्शन के लिए, क्योंकि कुछ ही देर में इस आसमान में 4 चांद लगाने आ रहे हैं हमारे सारंग दल के हेलीकॉप्टर, जो कि भारतीय वायुसेना में सबसे सक्षम, सशक्त और आत्मनिर्भर होने का गौरव रखते हैं. And we promise you that this display will become a part of your most cherished memories. Domestic defense industry and Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Sarang team soared through the skies in the state-of-the-art, the advanced light helicopter Dhruv. And now get ready to witness the change in formation from the Yodha formation to the English letter I in the sky. And now this I stands for you, me, our motherland, and for these indigenously developed helicopters. With his co-pilot, squadron leader Sachin Govind. The captain of Sarang 3's wing commander Avinash with his co-pilot, wing commander V. Number Chennai Payyan wing commander Gokul Krishnan, our local boys in command of Sarang 4 with his co-pilot, squadron leader Karan Prabhakar. And our number 5 is being flown by Tamil Natan Tavapudalvan squadron leader Akash, fondly called as Salapati by our team with his co-pilot, wing commander Adarsh Thakur. The safety officer for today's show is Flight Lieutenant Ajit, assisted by the videographers. forming gracefully in the sky, while below the guardians of our seas, the Coast Guard ships, stand watch. What a sight! You can be with the pilots and wish them luck. Here they are making a short exit and will soon be back in the arena with. Plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. Dolphin கடல்ல பாத்திருப்பீங்க. வானத்தில பாத்திருக்கீங்களா? இது உங்களுக்காக சாரங்க 1, 2 and 3 for the Dolphins Elite. Maintenance team who ensures that these 5 birds take to the skies and return safe. The team of the technicians is being ably led by Wing Commander Priyanshu. உலகத்திலே வரை 5 helicopter military display team நாங்க தான சொல்றதுல ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறோம். As the team is rolling in for the crossover break. Both the pairs flying abreast will execute a synchronized banking until their rotors are nearly vertical and crossing in very close proximity. Everyone now get ready to witness the unmatched precision of our pilots even closer to you. So hold your breath as both pairs will close in towards each other and the pilots will execute a coordinated pitch up, cross each other's flight path with just a hair's breadth of separation. तो अपनी नजरें दोनों ओर बनाए रखें क्योंकि आपकी दाहिनी ओर से आ रहे हैं सारंग 1 और सारंग 3 और बाईं ओर से आगे बढ़ सारंग 2 और सारंग 4. To you all that while doing these daredevil maneuvers, the aircraft maintains the distance of less than 10 meters. And now coming in from opposite directions as Sarang 3 and Sarang 4 are gearing up to pull off some mind-blowing pair maneuvers. The helicopters will cross head-on and perform synchronized stall turn. Please look straight ahead for high-speed cross. Unity in diversity is India's distinction. That trickles down to our team as well. Coming from diverse cultural backgrounds, speaking different languages, we all work together towards our common aim of winning hearts and saving lives. Straight through the beautiful Sarang heart. Chennai, in the heart, எங்கள் உலகிலிருந்து உங்கள் இலக்கிற்கு அன்புடன் என்றும் என்றென்றும். Our team boasts of the finest air warriors of the Indian Air Force. An embodiment of professionalism and ethos of the IAF, the Sarang team has consistently stepped up in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief missions, displaying their unwavering commitment to serve humanity. This was evident once again during the recent floods in southern Tamil Nadu. Since the team's formation, it has mesmerized the audience in Singapore, Chile, Germany, United Kingdom, Bahrain, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Russia, Dubai, and recently, 15 days ago, the Sarangs performed over the pyramids at the Egypt International Air Show. A truly proud moment for all Indians. Chennai, oratarmana sambhavtarga ninga ready? Then please look straight ahead as the team is coming together for a jaw-dropping display of synchronized brilliance. The Sarang split on the soul-lilting tune of Vande Mataram. As the formation splits, the leader will pull up to present a salute to the nation. We shall listen out for the leader's call. And to keep up with us, you can follow on Instagram and Twitter handles as Sarang_IAF. I hope younger display உங்களுக்கு நம்ம தளபதி படம் மாதிரி பிடிச்சிருக்கு. சென்னை உங்கள் அன்புக்கு நன்றி.